Hi guys, I'm Sari, and today I'm going to be talking about a dentist. Well, I was at the dentist today and I was sitting with my parents, and then the music came up and I was singing along. But then the song turned off. Aww. Then it turned back again. Yay! So I walk in the dentist like this. I mean, who doesn't walk like that? So in the dentist office, it was my sister first. As my sister was on the chair, she was kind of scared. So what happens? They check her teeth, and one teeth was behind the other, I guess. But there's nothing wrong with it. But there's a lot wrong with me. And when I say that, you think I'm normal. So the dentist opens my mouth and looks at my teeth, and he's shocked, like I was like, what the? He starts telling my parents that I have cavities. Then I was like, whoa, I have cavities. I don't even eat. Oh, the candy, the drinks, and oh, that's a big problem. So later on, he takes me to the x-ray place, I don't know, to see my teeth. Nothing's wrong with me, but I still have cavities, and next week I need to get braces. So thank you for watching my video about the dentist. This was my day, and I'll see you guys, I guess, tomorrow. Bye.
Every day I'm shuffling.